Hi, myself Akash Dash. Today we are going to learn about electronic configuration. It is very essential to understand the chemistry and the basic chemical reactions. Okay, how chemical elements are reacting together. If you want to know, then you have to learn the concept and you have to understand the concept. Okay, now come. First, you have to know what do you mean by electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means addressing an electron via an orbital is called electronic configuration. Okay, so in an atom, there are generally three. There are generally four orbitals A, L, N, M. Okay. In this orbital, electrons are arranged. Okay. First, we have to understand what is the charge of the electron. It's minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. What is charge of proton? It's plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Clear now? That's it. I already told you, one atom contains four different cell scale and their capacity, electron holding capacity can be defined by 2n square formula, where n means number of cells. Okay, what is the meaning of n? Number of cells. It will be small n, number of cells. Now, we are going to explain K, L, N, M. K is the first orbital, N is second, N third, and N is fourth orbital. Okay, so here for K, N become 1, L become 2. In similar way, n become 3 for m and n become 4 for n. Okay, now come. What is the formula? We know that 2n square. Whenever we find the electron voltage comes to k, so we have to write 2 into 1 square. Why we are written 1 instead of n? Because k is the first orbital, so n will be 1. That's why we are writing 2 into 1 square. The answer will be 2. In a similar way, for the L, we have to write 2 into 2 square means it's 8. For N, we have to write 2 into 3 square means 18. For N, we have to write 2 into 4 square means 32. Clear now? Achha. That means K orbital contains only 2 electrons, L contains 8 electrons, N contains 18 electrons, and N contains 30 electrons. Like this. Now, before going to make electronic configuration, we have to know the meaning of atomic number. Number of protons present in nucleus is called atomic number. Always remember, number of proton and neutron must be same. Whenever number of proton and electron, whenever it will be same, the atom become neutral or chargeless. Clear na? Now, we are going to take an example, sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11. So K contains 2 orbitals, so we are writing 2 here only. For L, we have to write 8. 2 plus 8 become 10. We had 11, but we put 10 electrons. How many left? Only one electron left. One we have to put in the next means M orbital. Clear? Now, neon. Atomic number is 10. K orbital contains 2 electrons. L will be hold 8 electrons. It becomes 10. But look here, N has no electron. That means neon has no more outermost electron. So it is stable. It became the stable structure. So it acts as a noble gas. But sodium has one electron at the outermost orbital. So it becomes unstable. To gain the stability, it always lose the one electron. Whenever lose the electron, It's become the electronic configuration of neon 28. Okay, now that means we can say that proton had in previously sodium had proton 11 plus 11 and electron was minus 11. So overall sum was 0. But now sodium loses 1 electron means the number is reduced here. This number will be reduced. So it become minus 10. So plus 11 and minus 10 become plus 1. So that's why we have write like this Na plus 1. In a similar way, atomic number of chlorine is 17. We can write 287. But argon, its atomic number is 80. We can write 288. Clear now? Outermost orbital contains 8 electrons. That is the most stable structure. So it becomes noble gas. Chlorine has to act like argon. So it will gain 1 electron. Whenever it gain electron, whenever it get an electron, proton number will be increased. Look that part. In the previous, it has proton 17 and 17 electrons. But now it gain 1 electron means electron number always increase the number of electrons now. So that means it become minus 18. Sum of proton and neutron become minus 1. So we have to write NCl minus 1. Now we have to understand this small part. Okay, charged particles are called ions, negative charge particle called anions, and positive charge particle called cations. You have to remember this. Example of anion is Cl minus 1. Example of cation is Na plus. Clear? Now we have to understand where we have to use this concept. Whenever sodium and chlorine reactive, what is the product? We know that sodium forms Na plus 1 and chlorine forms NaCl minus 1. Whenever we write plus 1 or minus 1 or whatever it is, okay, this number is called valency. Okay, remember I'm writing here KLMN 281. The last electron is called valence electron. The last orbital is known as the valence orbital. Valence orbital and always take participate in the chemical reaction. Okay. So valency of what is the meaning of valency? Valency means ability to combine. Ability to combine. Ability to combine. It's called valency. Now, sodium has valency 1, chlorine has valency 1. So how we can write? Just a minute. We have to write the numbers. Okay, I'm writing here only plus 1, minus 1. No, you have to write only the numbers, not the sign. Okay, now you have to crisscross. It becomes Na1 Cl1. We are not going to write 1 1. So it becomes similarly NaCl. Here, let's take another example. Magnesium atomic number 12. We can write KLMN282. Its valency will be 2. Am I right? What happens when magnesium reacting with chlorine? We know that chlorine has valency 1. Okay, chlorine has valency 1, magnesium has valency 2. We have to interchange or phase cross. Then it becomes Mg2Cl1. We don't need to write 1. So just we are going to write Mg, sorry, 1 Mg2. Okay, we don't need to write 1. It becomes MgCl. So we can understand when sodium reacts with chlorine, it's become NaCl. But whenever reacting with magnesium, it's become MgCl2. I'm giving you one question you have to do. That is, what will happen when aluminium is reacting with chlorine? Okay, you have to find the product. First, try to do. Okay, aluminum valency 13. You can write KLMN283. Aluminum wants to give the structure like neon because the nearest metal gas structure is 28. So 3 is very very strong. It will emit 3. It becomes plus 2. So valency of aluminum become 3. Okay. Whenever aluminum reacting with chlorine, aluminum valency is 3, chlorine valency is 1. You have to interchange. It becomes Al1 Cl3. We don't need to write 1. It becomes AlCl3. I think this video is helpful for you to understand the chemistry. Thank you.